Haragat MLA Dorsing Rong Hang Lapen, Asopo Long Lealam Ki Yalong, Amen Kiklang Dun Rokke, Ahokali.
Kardom, Pinini Alkenis Carbing Long Tanje Bang Put Hari Sabinong Teron, non Betang Ton Penar Deponita.
Non appear take a Charlie Hin, Ketek Enang Ji Akai Nang Lilu. Lapen, Loka Charlie Pon, Ason Tosi, Computer Kacharli, Anatuta, Ketek Enang Ji Akailo. Computer Jong Si Tek Te Pulote, Loka Charlie Seta, Charlie Nak, Akai Nang Mantanglo. Lason Si Pini Denarong, Aha Varalong, Ketching Si Computer Kacharli Pon, our side, the Northeast Institute of Technical Education Director Mati CEO Ranjiterang, Amina Jungjung Pen, Denarong aha war jasimet non awi kimi risoi jang lapen computer kachali aning ke hang atumaphan mesan atowar kewan pi Bangso Northeast Institute of Technical Education lake 2008 aning kansi amahang petek ponsi dongka muka malong pensi pangcheng ponlo laswa phi dong muka alongta labangso Northeast Institute of Technical Education ingpupon thusi dok muka along si headquarter mate ahempi bipon koklo Lason si Labangso Institute aro nonamatke Nerkep Institute ing Puponlo. Lason si Regional Office lake Dongkamukam Lapen Subcenter lake Hamren, Sadgao, Dengao, Dentaghat Langhin Lapen Daithoran si nonamat Biponlo. Lapen Labangso Institute lake School Setami Dokmuka Ampukuria Long ing Puponlo. Amen lake Northeast Public English School ing Puponlo. Lason si Junior College Setami Kang puponji aphan chisik pon pusi Ranjiterang ahin pen pachini pon Bangso Northeast Institute of Technical Education Kang pupon along Manpeng aluhi pen kachetong dun Denarong Bazar President Joycing Crow lapen Thoknong Bay College Lothan Bang Bablu Basamotari Ranjiding Ti Gobin Rong Pi lapen Computer Kacharli Arisoi Jang pen Chenglok Penang An Kithekiding atung Chetong dun si Mesen Akang Samjin, Kachujor Along, Ing Samjin Pen, Ing Pupon. Staff report, Lutikimi News Karbiang Long.
My senior and most admiring personality, Subrata Das sir, my respected Ranjit one of the social activists in the Dengar area, and respected all the faculty members, all the students. I'm very happy today actually because it was a very lofty dream for everybody in Dengao area because not a single institute have been established more than decades. And this is for the very first time I come to know that the Northeast Institute of Technical Education, a new branch, I don't know where the exact main branch is, I don't know, but it's a new branch I think. Yes. And so it will provide very good opportunity to the newcomers, all the students, and in the, as well as in the society to develop their mindset, to develop their technical knowledge, education, because in this 21st century we should have a
professor and I'm a commerce member in TISA, our Bada Committee, President Muda, Kusa. আজি এটা মোৰ যেটা ভাল অনুভৱ হৈ আছে তাৰমানে আমাৰ দেনগাঁও যে এটা কম্পিউটাৰ স্কুল ওপেনিং হৈছে আমরা এটা আমাৰ ভাগ্য বুলি ক'ব লাগিব কাৰণ সমাজৰ যিকোনো কাম আজিকালি কম্পিউটাৰ যোগেদি হয় সব ল'ৰা ছোৱালীৰ হাততে মোবাইল দেখা যায় তাতে সব বস্তু সোমাই আছে গোটেই পৃথিৱীখন এই কম্পিউটাৰৰ ভিতৰতে সোমাই আছে গতিকে আমাৰ ল'ৰা ছোৱালী যদি এতিয়াৰ পৰা যদি কম্পিউটাৰ ওৰিয়েণ্টেড মানে নলেজ নাথাকে তেনে ভৱিষ্যতত গৈ পেলাই তেওঁলোকে এটা এন্ধাৰ পৃথিৱীত গৈ পেলাই সোমাব ডাৰ্ক ৱৰ্ল্ডত এণ্ট্ৰি নিচিনা হ'ব গতিকে মই ভাবোঁ এইটো এটা ভাল উদ্দেশ্য বা তেওঁ যে চেক্ৰিফাইচ কৰি আছে এইটো খালি পইচাৰ কাৰণে নহয়
Total all now 8 center we are established already till this and another private school also. That school name is under these institutions Northeast Public English School. But our this institution name is the Northeast Institute of Technical Education and school also along with Northeast Public English School. And now we are trying to another in futures for the junior college also Northeast Public Junior College. We are trying to establish for along with college also. So we have already registered all these school, college, technical, professional, everything that means IT, electronic, vocational, paramedical, journalism, mass communication, hotel management, and that means fashion, aviations, that means photography, acting, dance, makeup, arts, socio-economics, and all these we have registered. So now this institute now till now we are established in 2007 or 2008 and going on till now we 2021. So we are now all total we are going 14 years running institute. So very old. So one of the renowned professional institute in Karbi Anglong name, the Northeast Institute of Technical Education. Now head office Dokmoka, regional office Dongkamokam, and the rest Hamren, but Shotgang and Langhin there in the college, Langhin College, and another that is Dendaghat and Daito. 8 center. So we are trying how much we are progress here, how much to develop in the Dengong area. So I would like to request all the local people in here to give the protect and support for our.
Pini ni phai grehini por phai ke phuluni constituency ka parlo phuluni lems asai hem ajataya long MLA Dorsing Rong Hang pen pherang ke amai ke pha nang ko athe lake ke dam tangar ni social media long ke paklang pon towar krong plia long phuluni hem rong rang puat long Dorsing Rong Hang asupo men si bipon kokpu alama bang ke ahokali athe dak phuluni hem rong rang along lake phuluni bazar atum along lesi ke par lopon lapen dak apota mata do lake bazar committee atum along lesi pata menta dolo konatsi dak Dorsing Rong Hang amen mate asupo men ke do po lake bazar committee atum amen si dopon lo lapen pena atum ningje pon mandal atum si longle ahem phu dollar setami amen chibi pon det pu hangjo ta do jong si lason mondol atum ke claim pon pute circle office along lam hoi pudam noi lapen thanata lamhoi pudam non lapen nilong wang non ninang cherabdun ji puta phuluni MSc mate Haraghat MLA Dorsing Rong Hang pen pachini pon lasi angton alam chini ni pen ke koi pon thap aret lapen nong no ke jo thap aret bang chokche jong sinon ason ke koi pon thap aret atum amina chokche lo pu chukubir pon ave pute Aronateng insai nangkokpo puta Dorsing Rong Hang pen pherangke angno than pachini pon news report lutiki mi news Karbi Anglong
lahaya tum amen ke daga videt nahi le koson sila tum amen le do ulo amen koson si do ulo pote circle office dong le record lang boy circle office record long jong si pota amen do kok pulutang te highway tum ke pota long amen do tum si combination pirang po lasi dak ni li theklong khoya sing terang alang lia bangke ame thanga long lia pota adlong ke klang poisa ke CNS lo CNS a phian ta nona lang pu bangke la so poisa ni ke long de la la pente along li ka vi atum si poisa long are along li ka vi dule ko son si poisa ka long po along li ke du si poisa ka long lo along leke dosi poisa ka long lo jar mati nai te loke combination kene koi pabo ji hokore highway authority pra combination bache te lokor namot mati ase jodi pota nothoka নাম নথকাকৈ যদি টকা পায় তেনেহলে আপোনালোকে তথ্য কৰে লৈ আনক প্ৰমাণ নহয় আমেন তাবি আপতা তাবি তা পইচা কে জয় নাংদু নৰে আমেন চেঠা পারে পুলাসন দু পুলুদাংতে লাসন আবানো সেটা পোতা কে কোসন সি দককলো পুয়া বাংকে হল আলং লেম থু সিনি পো আলাং মেন পোতা বেদে জংসি নিগেলা নিলংলে ni si cerai rai le ni men avidet pulo dang de nang men kubi bosa avidet lo ala galong lo along lem pu chini ate iltum kado kawe kithur gun pakya kam vel hola long lem pu bang hola phan bondo dong chipi ne kachi yor lo de hor bong men dong ala ma chekroi lo de hola bangke hola tumi chini lo seta komane along le apota tatu land acquisition na pon lo hola bang so long lisi bang cherai pire pulotang tela so bang ke akichok chi thi asi pini pena nadi me klang do bojar phulunia bojar along congress office along le ni tum ke paisa long ni de polang sen phulunia bojar along ta congress office along le ni tum ke paisa long ni de polang phulunia bojar along congress atum nong si nanglong le do ute pota chewa noi sentar along ta me nang tum nong si nanglong le do ute pota chewa non sentar along SDC office BJP office ta do la tum pota ave apot bang hang
Pinya beta kalan si kang ton poniglo lain bom tami LK News Karbiang lo